Hi guys, it's Azim. So today I will be talking about PRPOV in using film camera. Let's look into the Met Gala. It's been for so long. And for the past few years, celebrities and photographers would use film cameras to commemorate the prestigious day. From Kendall Jenner to Cindy Crawford's daughter, Kaya Gerber, would use film camera. And I think it is important for PRO to learn how to use film camera. Especially, it's a trendy thing and most companies are using it again for their campaign or advertisement. Even the HBO hit series Euphoria used Kodak Ektachrome 35mm film for their season 2 production. Isn't that cool? And grainy look and the nostalgic feelings of film photography making a comeback. So today, I'll be your guidance from the look of the film camera until the developing process of the film. So stay back and enjoy! So with me today is Konica Minolta AF Big Finder. So this is the front layout. Okay, let me turn around, and this is the back layout, and this is the upside layout. To open it, to look at the inside, push this button, and here's the inside layout. Alright, yes, you gotta listen to it. Alright, to operate it, just push this button, push it, and you need to this one to stop blinking, then you can good to go. Just push this button. Okay, and after this one is done with blinking and you can take another picture, let me take it again. That's all. Next part is how to load the film. So this camera is automatic. It's easy. So just push the button and open the back. So take your film and insert your film. After you insert it, you pull it a bit and make sure it's tidy and insert into the roller. And you close it. After that, you gotta wait until the number 1 is turned. So when the number 1 is already there, you're good to go. You can take so many pictures with it and have fun. That's all. To unload your film, it's easy. You just need to find something sharp to push the button because it will automatically unwind your film roll. After that, you gotta wait until it turns S, but depending on your film roll, whether it's 34 exposure or 36 exposure. After it's already done into S, just push the left button and open it up and take out your film. That's all. Done. So usually I'll post my film roll to Darkroom 8 because it's easy and trustworthy. For the last part, I'll show you guys where to buy your film roll. As for myself, I usually buy my film roll at my local photo shop, which could range from RM38 to 45, depending on the brand and exposure. Or you could get it from Shopee or Lazada, but make sure it's not expired yet. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. So, do you think this video is helpful? Please let me know under the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.